Hi guys! In this video review we are speaking about a rotary pen style machine providing artists full control of parameters that unleash their creative vision. This device for permanent makeup from the company Microbeau and its name Spektra Xion S, made in the USA. I work with the PMU machine a lot, with different skin and cover up. I will share my impression with you and talking about all additional functions this PMU machine. Stay until the end of the video. My name is Olga Yakovleva. I am permanent makeup artist, trainer, cosmetologist and tattoo artist. I keep learning English so I can make little mistakes in pronunciation. I will be happy for your support, understanding and likes. Subscribe to the channel, leave comments and support us. All information in the video is the subjective opinion of the author, so please read the disclaimer in the description of the video. What do we know about the company Microbeau? Since 2017, Microbeau International has been engineering innovative products for the PMU industry, with the intent to simplify and enhance each procedure, no matter where the artist stands in their career. Year after year, they aim to improve quality and manufacturing capabilities. The Microbeau company already presented different rotary tattoo machines and power supplies. As usual, we will start with the box. From the outside, it's black-blue box with its image, name, logo of Microbeau, and information about this product is engineered and made in the USA. So, let's see what's in the box. Warranty card in English with quick user guide. Replaceable stroke wheel with needle stroke 2.5. Key is to replace stroke wheel. This set doesn't have clip cord. You will need to buy a clip cord separate. My Spektra Xion S. It's comfortable pen style machine with a really comfortable grip. So I will talk more about Spektra Xion S. You will don't forget to subscribe to the channel because I will tell you very interesting information and share relevant content with you. The Microbeau company informs the machine weight is 134 grams. We will check it on the scales. The weight is not correct. On the scales we see 132 grams with stroke wheel 1.8. Maybe the machine weight with stroke wheel 2.5 will be 134 grams. Also, Microbeau informs that all machines are carefully assembled by hand and designed and manufactured in the USA. The Spektra Xion S has a good balance and ergonomic grip design. This machine has 4 colors: stealth, gunmetal, bubblegum and seafoam. It costs about $675. Working voltage is from 4 to 9.5 volts. In the instruction, the Microbeau informs: while voltage is a parameter that will vary from artist to artist, this machine has been tested to operate at a minimum voltage of around 4 volts with a maximum voltage of 9.5 volts. Depending on the type of needle configuration or brand you use, feel free to adjust the voltage to obtain the desired performance. Length about 112 mm. Diameter of holder is from 26 to 19 mm. This grip is safe to be sterilized in an autoclave or disinfectants. The body should be sanitized on the outside. We can wipe its disinfectants, for example, but we never spray the surface directly to prevent fluids from entering the machine. Always use disposable paper towels to apply sterilization products. I repeat that the grip is autoclavable, but the company strongly suggests the use of barrier products to protect your machine. This set has two stroke wheels, 1.8 and 2.5. This is stroke length our device. This is short stroke. I like PMU and tattoo machine with a long stroke. Therefore, I bought stroke wheel and additional with stroke length 3.7. How to change in the stroke wheel on the device, see the next video. Also, Spektra Xion S has functions give knob. This tile located at the tip of the body. Adjust your knead stroke from hard to soft, and H and S hard soft indicates the direction of rotation to achieve a softer or harder strike. We will feel clicks. Just 11 clicks. Always back one click from maximum settings. To adjust needle depth, we turn in the grip on the left or on the right. This PMU machine works with different power supply with at least 1 ampere, but my experience I work with different power supplies about 2 amperes. It compatible with many cartridges from famous companies. The motor will be covered by a 1-year warranty from the date of purchase. In the instruction has handy tips about to use Spektra Xion S. I will leave a link the manual in the comments to the video. Let's turn on it. I will work with power supply from Defender. I use cartridge from Defender also with size 30 or 1 RLLT. I will work with stroke wheel with stroke length 2.5 because I don't like a really short stroke, for example 1.8. I turn on 5 volts. And next I will do with stroke wheel 3.7. Noise and vibration are comfortable for work. Guys, let's go! Well, let's sum up our video review. Spektra Xion S is designed and made in the USA. Its price is about $675. This PMU machine will be covered by a 1-year warranty from the date of purchase. Noise and vibration are comfortable for work. Smooth, stable and comfortable operation. It does all kinds of works. Powder, hair stroke, work with lips and eyelids. The Spektra Xion S will perfectly cope with tattoo with stroke wheel 3.7 or 3.2 we need to buy in addition. This machine has give knob for adjust your needle stroke from hard to soft. The Spektra Xion S is great tattoo and PMU machine for artists which worked a short needle stroke or long needle stroke. This device for artists which to know that the permanent makeup and tattoo their vocation. I will leave links where you can buy these devices from the video description. I will be happy for your support, understanding and likes. Subscribe to the channel, leave comments and support us. I wish you beautiful works. See you later.